Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G06 Power, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this device. So, to get started, you will want to pull down your notifications, or toggles more like, by swiping down twice, and this will show you all the toggles that are added by default. There is more under this pencil. Now let's find our screen recording. Now for me it is on the second page. Now before you tap on it, you can actually hold it. You should be able to hold it. Let's click on the arrow, I guess. Guess we don't have any settings here. Okay, so never mind, we can't hold it. Now, when you tap on it, you do have the option to choose if you're going to record a single app or entire screen. It's completely up to you which one you want. But with entire screen, you also have additional options show touches on the screen. We have also record audio, and you have device audio or microphone or both. And obviously, if it's turned off, it's not going to record any audio. From here, I'm going to click on Start Recording. It begins a 3-second countdown, and then with a notification, starts recording. So from here I can open up most applications and record them without a problem. So here's settings, for instance, but let's see if we have some other ones that I would like to show. Although Motorola I don't think includes these dog shit applications like Netflix or Spotify, which I would typically be showing. Yep, none of them exist here. So I won't be able to show some unwanted side of this. Anyway, once you're done recording, you can pull down your notifications again and click right here to stop. And you can either tap on this notification to view the screen recording. I think it's already playing. Yep. Or that's one way. And later on, if you want to find your screen recordings, you can also navigate to your Photos tab. Which, let me just back out. No. Don't allow, just screw off. There we go. So under collections, you will find album called Screenshots, or it's going to be in videos, or it's going to be probably right here, right? Yep, it is movies. Now I do want to point out that where I'm finding this, it's actually not where it's going to be for you. This is just someone editing the locations. Typically you should find your screen recordings, I believe, also in Screenshots album, which for me doesn't happen, and additionally in videos as well, as it is a video after all. But here it's located in movies under like hidden album basically, or album inside of an album. So in my case it's not the same location as it will be for you. But anyway, that's about it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.